the Moore pipette. Its maximum volumetric capacity is 10 milliliters. It's used to measure anything to the 1 milliliter mark. Before we start with the Moore pipette, we can check the pipette for damage, and this pipette does not seem to be damaged at all. And before we do any work with the pipette, we want to make sure we clean it 3 times with tap water, 3 times with distilled water, and 3 times with the solution we're going to be using right here.
Now once we do that, we're going to take the solution, take a sample of the solution and get the volume using the pipette. So what you want to do, you want to place the pipette into the solution and use the squeeze. Squeeze it first, then put it on the pipette and slowly release it. And once you get the amount of solution you want to test, put your index finger on the pipette and lift it up. And now we got to check for the meniscus to get the volume. The meniscus is the curve of the water solution. So you take the bottom of the curve, and that will be your reading for the volume.
In this case, it's 4.4. And now we want to transfer our solution into our transfer vessel to the stock solution by tilting the vessel and letting the pipette drain on itself. Touching the pipette to the wall of the vessel. It is important to note that the solution we drained is not 4.4 milliliters, but it is actually 5.6 milliliters because the way the pipette is graduated and the way the numbers are put down, we need to make sure we get the final volume and not the initial volume by subtracting it from the total volume of the pipette.
All right, everybody, start putting stuff away.
And that's how you use the Moore pipette.